In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean hard cuts in Adobe Premiere Pro with back-to-back clips. We'll keep this simple and efficient so you can quickly assemble a tight sequence. Start with your footage already imported and a sequence open. On the timeline, place your clips back-to-back with no gaps. Think of the timeline as a horizontal storyboard. Drag a clip from the project panel down to the timeline, then bring the next clip right up against it so the edges touch. When clips are touching on the same track, Premiere treats the point where they meet as a hard cut, which is just an instant change from one shot to the next with no transition in between. If you see a tiny space between clips, zoom in and nudge them so they connect edge to edge. Next, use the razor tool to make precise cuts. Move the playhead to the exact moment you want to cut. Use the spacebar to play and pause, or drag the playhead by hand until you're on the right frame. With the razor tool selected by pressing C, click directly on the clip at the playhead to slice it. If you prefer a quicker method, you can leave the selection tool active and use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac to cut at the playhead without switching tools. Now delete or trim the parts you don't want. After cutting, click the unwanted section to select it and press delete to remove it. To trim, instead of removing an entire section, hover over a clip's edge until you see the red trim bracket, then drag inward to shorten or outward to restore a few frames. Trimming is great for tightening pauses or shaving off a late start without making extra cuts. Finally, close any gaps. If deleting a section leaves empty space, drag the next clip left until it touches the previous one. When the edges meet, Premiere creates a clean, hard cut automatically, no extra settings needed. A hard cut keeps pacing snappy and is often the default choice for interviews, vlogs, and instructional videos. Give the sequence a quick playback and watch the cut points. If something feels abrupt, adjust your trims by a few frames and slide the clips so they meet again. With these steps, placing clips back to back, cutting at the playhead, deleting or trimming, and dragging clips together, you'll build a polished edit quickly and confidently.